Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 2nd March 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this specific video on daily basis I review my trades on Nifty and Bank Nifty, share my learning, disclose my trade plan for the next trading session and also disclose my MTM at the end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So for today, our trade plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty as well as was with understanding that market will have a gap up opening and it will somewhere reverse from top and idea was to see if market comes in a lap either at pivot or at L3 and L4 where I will take a buy on dip and go for upside target. On Nifty and Bank Nifty almost followed the same pattern as I had proposed. And I didn't take any trade on Nifty, but on Bank Nifty, I took a multiple trade. First trade I took it was on green bar, where I thought there was a breakout on this green bar at 35,597. Then this red bar came, and I did not, I hold on my position. Then at this green bar, which was at pivot, again I entered some position. Then one big red bar came. I again entered more position. Again on this green bar, I entered the position which was at L4, and then market started moving up. And then I, as usual, played with my stop loss, and then I got out on this red bar, and then overall the entire holding which I had, I lost. And after that, I went crazy. And then I took some multiple trade on 102 bar, had a loss there. Eventually, I got tired and I left the market. One of the biggest mistake which I did today was I lost my patience and I lost my discipline on number of quantity I play. I have a big capital, and sometimes that goes against that advantage goes actually becomes disadvantage because of indiscipline. Now, second mistake which I did is that I started playing on 5 minute chart, and eventually I couldn't manage my focus for the entire day. So, big two learning for me is first uh, control the quantity specifically on days when the trend is not clear. So when I see a trend on daily and 15-minute chart are different, like daily it's showing downward but 15 minutes showing upward, then I should play with the minimum number of quantities. Uh, as such, I did some money management, and eventually today I have concluded that henceforth I will play only maximum 3 lot on Nifty, preferably two, and 3 lot on Bank Nifty, preferably two. So 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. That is how I will manage my money, and I will keep only 2 lakh rupees for a trade, intraday trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that's my learning uh, for today. Another learning is I should wait for a 15-minute candle to close before I entered into another candle. I've already, if you see my past video, I've made these mistakes repeatable time. I hope I don't continue doing it again. Having said that, let's see what we have in store for tomorrow. Before we get into market, let's look into dollar US government bond, which is now getting stabilized around 8 bar moving average. So nothing much to worry about here. Dollar index is definitely moving up, but showing some sign of reversal. So this could be a sign of concern. So we need to. This may make market volatile. Uh, I'm not sure why S&P chart is not okay. Now it is come. The market is open now, and we see a red bar coming here. So we need to see how this is getting perform or how this is turning out by morning. But right now, when we see at SGX, SGX is already at 15030. So for tomorrow, market will open somewhere here at the top again, like today. So we'll have a gap up opening, but above monthly resistance of 15016. Tomorrow the pivot is at 14,880, which is closer to 200 bar moving average. L3 is 14,865, L4 is 14,810, and H3 is 15,010, and H4 is above 15,050. So we are going to have open somewhere here. So if we open here tomorrow in the morning, then there are two possible trade which one can take. One is 15-minute breakout. So you have a 15-minute breakout here. If market goes up, you go up. If market goes down, you go down. If market goes down, if it goes up, then you just follow it with 15016 or 15-minute bar lower as a stop loss and continue. And if market goes down, then the second trade comes in place, which is buy in dip. So when it goes down, look for a reversal at pivot, which is at 14,880, which is a 200 bar moving average. If not, then at L4, which is 14,810, which is also the target for the short call. So for tomorrow, I would like to play in 14,900 PE or 14,900 CE if market is coming down. If it's going up, then 15,000 CE is a good 4th March expiry, which I would be playing on. 4th March expiry or maybe next week expiry. I will see the price and I'll decide. So that's the trade plan for Nifty. 15-minute breakout on upside if I follow up. 15-minute breakdown on downward direction. Take one trade which is short. Then look at reversal at pivot or at L3 and L4. Similarly on Bank Nifty, when we look, we see that Bank Nifty on daily basis has closed below 20, below 8, uh, above 50, and above 50 and above 200. So definitely on daily basis, Bank Nifty is in downtrend. On 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has closed below 200, uh, above 50, above 8, and above 20. So definitely an uptrend, but below 200, wherein Nifty has closed above 200. So Nifty is definitely stronger than Bank Nifty. Uh, so here also the trade is short. So short trade on Bank Nifty and long trade on Nifty. 15-minute breakout. If you get a follow up, continue. Otherwise, 15-minute breakout. Pivot for tomorrow for Bank Nifty is at 35,414, which is just above 50 bar moving average. L3 is 35,292, which is closer to 20 and between 50 and 8, just below 50 and 8. And L4 is 35,079. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both in terms of trend are uncertain. On daily, Nifty is an uptrend. 15-minute chart on daily it's in downtrend. I'm sorry, and on 15-minute chart uptrend. Bank Nifty on daily is in downtrend, and on 15-minute chart is an uptrend. So there could be this volatility will continue for some time, and idea is if you get a gap down, then I like to take a normal position, which I do, and I would like to carry that position for the next day. So that's my plan. I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading idea. Today, again, I had a big loss of 25,000 rupees. And my biggest learning is first, 15-minute chart is something which I can focus for a full day. So 15-minute chart is what I'm going to play. No trading on 5-minute chart. Second, number of quantities will be 3 lot for Nifty and Bank Nifty for a capital of 2 lakhs. So that's my learning. Stay healthy. Jai Hind. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade.